Most of the time when you get up in the morning, you are fatigued due to Kundalini. There is lot of combustion happening in your body at night, and Kundalini takes away most of your prana from your system, from your body. So you don't feel like doing anything. So in the morning, you get up, even if you try to come to the body, you're unable to come to the body. So I will teach you today a technique in real time when there is not much energy in the body, especially to my student, and we will see how her energy changes. And if this applies to her, this applies to me, and that is why this is an instinctive EMM technique. I do it every day and I feel energetic because the flow of prana happens, the flow of oxygen, blood circulation happens through this technique. And you too should do it the first thing in the morning, and you will feel how it is beneficial for you. So, how is your energy level right now? Not much?
Not much. I'm tired.
Yes. So, let's, you come here and you start cleaning the dishes. Yes. One by one, slowly, doing mouth exhalation. Doing mouth exhalation is important as you do it. And stand like this. Very good. Your posture should be straight. This part should touch. Yes, correct. Your belly or the lower belly navel part should touch the slab. Your legs should be like this. Knee lock. And do this activity with intention. And keep doing it. And feel the difference in your energy as you do it. And keep doing mouth exhalation continuously without a break. All your anxiety will be gone, all your stress will be gone, and you will be enjoying this. Sometimes you can play music in the background on your phone and enjoy this activity by being fully present to it. Be fully present to it. You don't have to over clean it. Some of the women have the problem with over cleanliness. They have OCD. They keep on cleaning. I am live shooting this video to show you that over cleanliness is not important. In just 3 to 5 minutes, you can be free from this activity, and you don't have to keep the work pending. You don't have to keep the work delayed for later period, because your mind will never allow you to work or wash the dishes the way it is happening now by being present. Take the understanding that whatever you clean will become dirty after some time. This is the law of dirt, law of energy. So you don't have to over clean it. You can use clean dishes when you want to use it for any purpose. Apart from that, you don't need to spend extra time in over cleanliness. You just need to spend whatever is required. So in just 2 to 3 minutes, this work is done. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So the brain responds to this. Now use this cloth to mop the surrounding area. And in just 5 minutes, your brain knows through this activity that you have achieved something. Do you felt that sense of achievement?
Yes, I felt achievement.
Yes. And a sense of freedom also?
Freedom.
Yes. And now your brain knows. So you can clean the rest of the part so that it is completely over, and then we can move on to the next activity. This means that after getting up, if you do this, you release dopamine instantly. Your brain knows that. So now you can drink a glass of water, wash your hands, mop your hands, or final wash your hands. That's it. And you're free. Alright, so just cleaning this simple cleaning activity can activate the dopamine in you instantly. So don't go for the cheap dopamine through porn, masturbation, and other activities. Due to addictions, you go into different kinds of unusual dopamine release that is not required. You need to know that if you want real dopamine, you have to teach instinctive activities to the brain. This means that you have started the work, you have completed the work. In just 5 minutes, she did the work. And this 5 minutes takes into 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. So many pending work happens. So whatever you give intention to, just attend to it with this technique. Mouth exhalation, and then you can relax. After doing this activity, you can relax a bit and just come into open space. Drink some water, have rest, and then take a pause, and then the next activity. All right, so this was the highest technique I have taught you. Apply it in your life and see the difference. So today we are focusing on the electrolytes part that is required for your nervous system rejuvenation. Electrolytes are naturally available in coconut water, the natural raw coconut. These are the raw coconut, and we are going to show you how you can use it very flexible way, and you have to just do this activity, which is also instinctive in nature. And you need to know that coconut water is very much important for your nervous system rejuvenation. It is the best source of electrolytes. It contains potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and sodium. All these elements are important for the functioning of your nervous system, for the flow of electric charge in your body, and especially during Kundalini. The electricity, that is the Kundalini itself, when it passes through your nervous system, it discharges the quality of the nervous system. And that is why you have so many issues, including neurosis. In neurosis, what happens? Your nervous system becomes overexposed because of the weakening of the myelin sheath. Myelin sheath is that part of the nervous system which protects your nerve cells from the extra charge of electricity or electrons which happens due to the sparkling of too many exchange of ions in the body. So the details of the scientific aspect or the energetic aspect you will get to know later, but now you need to know how to make this coconut water available if you are in a country, in a tropical country like India, Thailand, or South Asian countries where you get great supply of good quality of coconut water, or if you are in European country or any other country where coconut water is not directly available to you, then there are packaged coconut water, original coconut water that are available in the market. So you can explore coconut water from the market and drink at least 1 glass of coconut water if you have less problems with neurosity. But as a Kundalini case, this is must. So I will be showing you how to take out the coconut water. And also you need to know that coconut water has all the supply of essential minerals taken from the earth, which is extremely pranic in nature. And Kundalini needs lots of prana. So when you take coconut water, when you intake coconut water, you feel extremely pranic. Just now I had this coconut water and I got burp. This burp is indicative that digestion is happening. So coconut water has multiple benefits. You will experience it as when you have it. So now I am taking out the water from the coconut and how to take out water. And this is so exciting and adventurous activity for the brain. You learn so many things. So while I am taking out water, I will be guiding you also about how to do it. So this water we have already taken out. Lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up. Yes. So this coconut water has come from this coconut. And now we will do this. So keep it aside. And let me show. So this part there is certain part of the coconut which has a hole, and we have to cut that part of the coconut. And with experience and practice, you actually get to know where the hole is. So I made a big hole, and now I will take out all the coconut from here and pour it like this. Now this came out very easily. The next step is to filter it. All this you can filter in a separate container. You can filter in a separate container. Keep it aside and then empty this water in a bottle. So 2 coconut, we got so much of water, and there are certain extra water which we will pour it in this glass for the time being. There are still extra. And now you can have it directly. Take sip by sip. Drink consciously. Alright. So now she will show you how to do it when you are a new person. You don't know anything. Okay. Take this one. Take the knife and try to first put one. Yes, be careful. Yes, when you find a point, a spot where the knife is going inside, then you need to do more around that area. Correct. In a circular way. Correct. You are doing it well. And don't hold the knife here. It will hurt you. Only in this part. Yes. And try to take out. Okay, your knife is in wrong position. Like this, if you hold it, then slowly you can move the knife like this, in this direction. Again. Yes, correct. Very good. So this is training your brain and nervous system to do the most instinctive work of taking coconut water from a coconut. And when you do this, you become alive. And when you drink the coconut water, you become more alive. So this training is extremely important, because you can't be always dependent on other person for everything in your life. When you start doing these simple acts, then you will know that life is so much about you. Life is so much about paying attention to what is missing in you. Coconut water is the best source, and along with this, a combination of lemon water, a combination of watermelon juice, and a few more electrolytes are needed, which I will show you sometime in later videos. But right now, enjoy this aspect where she is confidently taking out the shell and doing it artistically, because she has learned the skill now. And now she is doing it very well. Do it more. Very good. This is giving confidence to the brain that you can do it. Brain understands physical activities, and only by doing, you can train the brain in the present.
Okay.
Yes. So now you can pour it. First you pour it here. Yes. If the hole is big and it is, no, you don't need to take it later. First you pour it directly. Yes. Good. Yes. Hold it in some time. Everything will be taken out. Great. Now you can filter it in this. So you just need to find a good source of coconut suppliers. And they will deliver it to your home, and then you can do this activity, and don't outsource it to other people. Now this is what it is going to be much bigger. We will pour it in some other container. One more coconut is left. I want you to do that also, because you will feel confident. How do you feeling after taking out?
I'm feeling confident.
Yes. And excited?
Excited.
Oh. Yes. Coconut shower. Yes. Okay. You have to be tactful. Wait. You capture me. I will do it. Actually, if you get the hole very fast, then what happens? This showering happens. So you have to be tactful. Slowly, 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 you have to make the hole. So this time we got it very fast. And all came out. So now I'll pour it here first. The training is continuous. You cannot assume that you know everything. Only by doing you know that it is actually challenging to train your brain to do these instinctive activities. This activity activates your primitive brain. And that is why it is so much challenging. So this much is extra for us. We will pour it in some other bottle. But now I'll show you how to drink it. We can pour it in a glass. Take this. Yes. You can use a straw. Go in the balcony. Sit there. Enjoy. Yes. Or you can take out the straw and directly drink. In the meantime, you have a look of this nature around. Yes. So this is life. This is life, and you are experiencing life in the moment. Life. Everything about life is here and now. So do you feel more alive after drinking this and doing this activity?
Yes, I feel alive.
It's energizing.
Energizing.
Instant energizing.
Yes.
That's the beauty.
Energized me.
So in the morning, what you can do?
In the morning, I can drink
You can drink coconut water, get energized, do some activity, physical activity, and then again get to work. It is not that difficult. It is not that challenging. Now in this tender coconut, when some of we have extracted the water. Not every tender coconut has fruit in it or coconut developed. So little bit of tender coconut is developed. So I will show you how to take it out and not waste if it is inside. So I have checked all of the 4. There is no tender coconut inside. So I will show you, it is in only one. So I will show you how to take it out. Now this hole that we made, it is much bigger. Sorry, small. So I am making it much bigger so that I can take out with the help of a spoon. So these techniques are invented by me. I never saw anyone doing this. How to take out, because at home you have to learn your way. In the place where coconut is bought and sold, they have bigger things to cut out they cut it out in half, they take it out. But at home, what you can do is, with this technique you can take it out. And these all uses all the muscles in your hands and body, and your brain is always active. Now after that, I had made the hole little bigger. I will take this spoon and try to make like this. Just I will show you what happens after this. I'm trying to take out the coconut in this motion. Now look at my hands, how my hands are moving. This muscle is getting activated. Otherwise, this muscle never gets activated in any other activity. So, and also my shoulder blades, this is getting activated. My arms are getting activated. Entire hand is getting activated. And most important, brain is getting activated. So, look at my posture. I'm sitting on the floor. And I'm extremely instinctive. No formality. Trying to take out and moving it in circular motion. And also intuitively knowing, am I doing it correctly? So actually I am using my right brain a lot, and this is activating the primitive brain. The right brain is instinctive brain, primitive brain, and you become creative. You take out, you use your sixth sense. I am just taking an idea how to extract it. And now how to take it out? Just take a spoonful of it, spoonful of all of it, and like this. It's like a tunnel work. From the tunnel you are taking out, or if it comes out like this, then this is also great. Now more is left. Why I am showing all the steps? Because I am telling you that just devoting 10 to 15 minutes of your life into this activity can activate your brain. This activity costs you nothing. By taking medicines, pills, joining yoga retreats, joining spiritual retreats, your Kundalini is not going to process. This is instinctive life project where everything is instinctive. And when you do things instinctively, life, energy in you flows, Kundalini in you flows. Because everything that you do is Kundalini. Everything that you do instinctively is Kundalini, the life force herself. So, see, so much of this extracts we got from here, and it cannot be done in a sophisticated way. It has to be done this wild way. So there is a lot to learn for you. If you cannot do in your country, then travel to places which gives you such opportunities. Go to South Asian countries or come to South India, have these experiences and go back home. But with me. Without me, nobody will teach you anything. You have to do in my presence. Because the mind is sticky. The mind is very much stubborn. It will not allow you to do these activities. It is with my powers I am able to do this. And since I did it first time, next time she will do it. Alright, now how to have it? With your hands, not with spoon. Take this and put it in your mouth and enjoy. So have this experience. And feel. For the first time you are taking this, having this experience.
Yes. First time I'm taking this.
It's creamy,
Yes.
nutritious,
Tasty.
tasty. Yes. Yes, we are going to dry the clothes and we'll show you how to dry it. And we'll go by, not by elevator, by staircase. Yes, we have to check which one is empty. Yes, this one we can use it. This one we can use it. So start drying it. You have to first squeeze it. Squeeze all the water out of it. And I will show you how to do it. Just hold it. Okay. Yes. Take one end of the cloth and keep squeezing water till the bottom. This is the technique. And see the movement of your arms as it happens. Now hold it. Now the challenge is even more. You have to squeeze it more. More muscle strength is required. So this is required for your muscle strength, nervous system, and no gym work is required to strengthen your muscle. If you do it daily, you will be a strong person, and it leads to blood circulation, prana circulation. Your heart rate improves, your kundalini flows, and then you can, the instinctive way like this, you can shake it for extra water and keep it for drying. So now you do the next one. The same way. Yes. Yes. Good. Good. Perfect. Yes. All the water should be squeezed out of the. And do you feel strength in your muscles now with this? Yes. Stronger muscles. Correct. Very good. Yes. And you are highly active. Your brain is highly active because you have to be present to do this activity. You cannot do it mechanically. You cannot outsource it to the mind since you have not trained it. So now you are training the brain. So if you make use of washing machine, you just switch one button and the thing is done. But when you use your hands, this is extremely important technique to heal from neurosis, chronic fatigue, chronic anxiety, and every moment you have to be aware. You cannot do anything mechanically. You have to be smart. For example, there is a rule to dry the clothes. Always keep it halfway in a balanced way, like this, so that it can get dried. Yes, very good. Very good. Do you have any thoughts while you are doing this?
No.
No thoughts?
No thoughts. Mind. No mind.
No mind. You are fully present because you are working from your primitive brain. Your instinctive brain is getting activated.
Yes.
And that is why,
We are present.
yes, you are fully present. Your attention is totally on the act. So if you want to come out from the mind to the body, you need to do this activity Fully, yes. Very good. Make sure that entire water is squeezed out. So while you are doing this, you are fully present. And this is how your instinctive life begins. You don't have to go to the jungle to live the instinctive life. You are here and now and fully present to the act. Yes, very good. So intuitively, yes. It's all. Shake it little bit. Correct. Yes. And keep it. So this much demonstration is enough. Now you come here after this is done and I will show you how. If it is getting down, then you have to use it like this. Correct. Now let's go to the washing machine area and see what happens when you use only your hands. Only a finger is used. Just you need to, this is already in action. And this is someone who is working on it. But only a finger is used when you use a washing machine. But when you do this, I will teach you sometime washing clothes. So we will do that demonstration as well. But now, tell me honestly, how did you feel when you did this activity? Come this side. Be in the sun. How did you feel it when you do it?
After doing it,
Yes.
I feel I am stronger.
You're stronger. Your muscles are stronger.
Stronger. I feel achievement.
Yes.
I feel alive.
You feel alive.
Alive.
So this aliveness you won't feel anytime. You need to know that all these impromptu videos I'm creating for you so that all these impromptu videos I'm creating so that you, your brain and nervous system should know that this is not very difficult or extraordinary challenging. You just need to attend to this task on daily basis and slowly you will become stronger. I'm teaching you the techniques which made me stronger. I have been doing this for my entire life and I am the strongest. My muscles are the strongest. My bones are strong. My energy level is always high because of the circulation of prana and the circulation of blood in my system. So these activities ground you. Sometimes you just need to walk barefoot. When you expose yourself to the sun, come to the terrace for such kind of activities and you will feel that it is very much possible for you to ground wherever you are living. So walk barefoot, take away your shoes or slippers and feel the difference in energy. Even if you don't get a grass, because if you are living in a city where you will get a grass, but walking barefoot only on the floor itself grounds you. And these activities, look at my gesture now. I have done it very instinctively. Put on the pants outside. So few more things I will teach you why you should do it. For example, when you are doing this activity, first of all, your posture matters the most. For example, if you are like this, always try to bend your knees little bit like this as you are doing it and look at the pelvic movement as you are doing it. When you are doing like this, your pelvic is moving. This pelvic movement doesn't happen in any other pose. Now squeezing it. Look at the muscles where arm muscle, this is getting activated. This is getting activated. Your hand muscles are getting activated. So both the hands. Then when you are doing like this, your posture is changing. Your chest is going broadening. You are doing like this. For example, like this. Look at your posture. So there are many washing techniques that I will teach you later. when I teach you how to wash clothes instinctively. So this much is enough, I think, for now. Start implementing it. And if you want my guidance, then you have to come to me. Yes. This activity is extremely important for healing you from neurosis. Yes, you should feel tired because this is to increase vasodilation from feet to your tip of your finger. Yes, you should feel extremely tired. Yes. Challenging yourself completely. Yes, good. Do it with mouth exhalation now. Do it with mouth exhalation. Yes. 10 to 15 minutes continuously you have to do. And if you get extremely tired, now lie down on the floor. After doing this,
I can do
more than do it. Till the time you're completely tired, you should do it. Yes. Challenging yourself is important. Otherwise, you are always in freeze mode. You're not sending oxygen to your body cells when you are sitting in one posture. When you are exhausting yourself with this posture, your total spine, your total nervous system muscles are activated. And if you get tired, then you can do slowly and lie down on the floor in Shavasana without caring for whether it is dirty or yes. Now feel the relaxation completely. Close your eyes, open your hands, and feel the relaxation that happens with this challenging your body. Focus your attention on your third eye. Put both of your hands on your navel. Yes, on your navel. Yes. And just relax completely. You can take this pillow under your head and not do anything. Keep lying in this position without doing anything. And allow yourself to relax completely. Do it every day 10 to 15 times for 5 minutes, and you will see that you are a changed person. Along with this, do all the physical activities, instinctive activities, brooming the house, mopping the house, cleaning the kitchen, bathroom, and entire house. Let it be. Don't be alert. Let it fall. Come out of all the dirt related thoughts that it will get dirty. Anything that you clean will become dirty after some time. And this is the fundamental understanding behind obsessive compulsive disorder, which makes you clean everything all the time. You don't have to clean it. You have to clean your mind. You have to purify your body. Focus on your body, then the things. Mind is full of shit. Mind is full of all the garbage. And instead of cleaning that, your focus is outside on cleaning things. Just lie down in this position for 20-30 minutes, as much as you want to be. And you can cover your eyes with a cloth. And allow yourself to do this without any alertness about external environment. Allow yourself to let go of every hold that you have created in your nervous system and do it diligently. After I go, you will continue with this practice for the next 15-20 minutes and then be ready for the next step.